Good evening and thanks for tuning in. I'm Hallie Jones. Just a year ago, a daily COVID average of 300 would raise concerns about infection in the Brazos Valley. Now that number is causing health experts alarm as the president just realized a new plan for the end stages of COVID. Tonight, our Rebecca Fiedler has more.
The Brazos County Health District reported 304 new COVID-19 cases today, along with 4 new deaths. Conversely, last month shows typical daily rates of anywhere between 55 and 150 cases. Texas A&M Clinical Assistant Professor Dr. Jason McKnight says that while he is hopeful for a future with the decrease in cases, the current rise does concern him and his colleagues.
I am working in the hospital this week, and I am exhausted. My team is exhausted. The hospital is completely full. Once again, just like we had in January and February, we have patients admitted to the hospital that are, basically in hallways in the emergency room because there's no bed available for them.
McKnight says that while some of these coronavirus cases could have come about from a heavily populated event, typically it does take about 2 weeks for an event's effects to start showing up in case counts. So we may not be yet seeing the effects of Labor Day weekend or the Texas A&M football game.
I think with classes being changed to all in person, I think it was honestly kind of inevitable that it was going to spike just because no social distancing in the classes and whatnot.
Some Texas A&M students say that they haven't seen much of an effort amongst their fellow classmates to mitigate the spread since school started.
I actually do have a lot of friends that have autoimmune disorders or issues, and so it is very alarming for me, especially studying public health, that the school isn't really doing as much as I feel like they should to protect those individuals.
To fight continued spread of COVID-19 and its variants, Dr. McKnight stressed the continued importance of vaccination, especially for anyone planning to socialize and attend public gatherings.
For anyone out there that currently thinks, oh, I'm not vaccinated and I've gone the last 18 months and I haven't caught COVID, I'm going to be just fine. The Delta variant and the other variants that are going around right now are contagious enough that I don't think that's going to work out in your favor in the long run.
Reporting in College Station, Rebecca Fiedler, KRHD News.